Equilibrium is when the planned aggregate expenditure, PAE, equals the actual aggregate expenditure, also known as output or GDP. This is represented by the equation PAE is equal to Y. This equation can also be graphically demonstrated by a 45-degree line starting at the origin. Because of the way that the lines intersect with each other, otherwise known as the Keynesian cross, which corresponds to the equilibrium where the PAE is just equal to the actual aggregate expenditure. So in order to find the equilibrium aggregate expenditure, all you have to do is just look at where both of the lines intersect. These equilibrium points are susceptible to change due to shifts in the PAE because of the non-income determinants. For example, the shift of PAE1 to PAE2 due to a more favorable economic environment, such as lower interest rates, can lead to a higher equilibrium output levels as they go from Y1 to Y2. You can also go from PAE1 to PAE3 due to less favorable economic environments, such as the decrease of government spending. And that'll take you from Y1 to Y3 in a lower equilibrium point. When the PAE is greater than the GDP, the demand is strong since the planned inventories are greater than the actual inventories. Thus, the firms will have lower than expected inventories and respond by increasing production over time in order to get back to the equilibrium level. When the PAE is less than the GDP, the demand is weak since planned inventories are less than the actual inventories. So firms have more inventory than planned, which causes them to decrease production over time to get back to the equilibrium level.